Hello everyone, this is Matt with MH Motors again. I wanted to bring to you today my next round of Costco pickups. Went to Costco this week, actually 2 locations, and was able to get this other set of 15 here. Pretty excited about this. You can see in my other video of my collection I already had a few from Costco already, and was excited to find these more rare ones that you don't normally see at a Costco was there, so that's why I had to pick up these as well to add to the collection. So real quick, we got a white Ferrari 488 GTB, 2007 Lambo Murcielago, and that's a coupe. We got a Ferrari California, a Lambo Huracan in red. My goal is to do a review with the real car in the real red color as well. A white GTR. A friend actually just picked up that car. He picked up a 2011 Nissan GTR in white, so I thought it was pretty cool to pick up a white one. Moving along, we got a Lamborghini Diablo Sv. Pretty rare to find these at Costco from what I understand, and certainly this was the only one that I saw there. Moving up, we got a Mercedes SLS, got a Lamborghini Centenario. I did just do a review with a real Centenario, one of 20 in the world, so make sure to check out that one. We got a Bentley Super Sports Convertible. Pretty cool color. It's like a metallic green. And one of my favorite from the bunch, we got Porsche 911, and that's a GT3 RS 4.0. It's great. The white color with the white wheels is just great with the red accents and everything. Moving along, we got another Lamborghini Murcielago, but this is a roadster version, the convertible, and history right here, Ferrari F50. Fantastic. These cars are just amazing. You definitely see a couple of these when you go to Monterey Car Week, and it did just end, but next year is going to be a great one. Got a Aventador, another Aventador in a coupe version. And that's got a orangish red metallic color. Pretty amazing. I do have a orange Lambo Gallardo Superleggera, so I found this black one and definitely wanted to add that to the collection as well. All black, murdered out. Pretty cool. And last but not least, a blue version of the new Ford GT. I do have a silver with the dark gray stripes. That is my favorite color scheme, but I wanted to complement it with a metallic blue Ford GT as well. So, all right, here we go, and we're going to be getting into unboxing the 3 up there, as well as the Ferrari F50. All righty, here we go. Alright, so here we got in front of us is a Ferrari F50, and this has been on my list of all-time favorite cars. Even since when I was growing up, I had a 1/18 scale black Ferrari F50, and I'm actually going to be getting that out here to where I live now. Had to go back into the good old parents' house and get that car here, and so I'm going to have that here shortly. But when I found this red one, that is going to complete that little black and red set very nicely. Again, this looks amazing through the box, but let's go ahead and get this opened. So let's see here. It comes on this nice platform, of course, with the label. Perfect color. That just is amazing. Wow. They were certainly making great colors back then, and great cars, great specs, and it was even all the aero and the spoiler and everything. Man, that was amazing what they were making back in the day. So let's continue to get this unwrapped here. Okay, so now that it's unwrapped, thing is just a beauty. And again, it's got multiple opening parts here. We can start with the hood. The hood does come up, and that's what I forgot to take these little stickies off. Got one on the other side. Door's a little on the flimsy side. One little critique, probably shouldn't do that. I'll take a look at it, see if it's not fastened right. Rear opens nicely. Yeah, overall, really cool. Alright, let's get on to the next one. Right into another Ferrari. We got a Ferrari 488 GTB, and this one's in white. I do have a red one in my collection, but one of my goals with this one is I want to paint the wheels a black, gloss black color. I think it'll be a nice accent to the white, and maybe either red or yellow calipers. I'm not too sure yet. So let's get this going. Really nice looking car. The white Ferraris always have a place in my heart, as far as it just is a fantastic color. Love seeing them in person. You know, red is so common, but it's a little less common to see a white one, and they certainly look amazing. Alright, so right there you started seeing, as far as opening parts go, this rear hatch does open. Watch me not be able to get it now. Oh, there we go. Wow, nicely color schemed engine bay there, and if you can see a little bit, some of this trim is all in carbon fiber instantly. That just looks amazing. And then the underneath is carbon fiber for the diffuser as well. That is really cool. And continuing around, we got, of course, the doors open. And the hood opens here, if I can get it. Might have to flip it over. There we go. Certainly a great look. One thing I like about these Ferraris is if you can see on the dash, it has a little red area. Really cool. Alright guys, thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for my part 2 video featuring the Porsche GT3 RS 4.0 and the Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster. Alright, see ya.